Hey guys, this is Anya. This video I'd like to show you guys the CATL brand 4 Series 1 Power 180 ampere hour order for preparing for 24 pieces. Okay, let's go. Let's to see the StarMax quality standard. This is the label for StarMax Energy lithium battery module 40.84 of 180 ampere hour made in China. Each of the module is tested the capacity out. These 24 pieces will guarantee the capacity difference between each of the module is 184 to 187. 3 ampere hour capacity difference in this pack. So, the voltage difference is 10 millivolts. Internal resistance is 0.1 milliohm difference between each of the module. 184, 184, 185, 185, 184, 185, 184, 184, 185, 185, 184, 186, 184, 186, 185. Each of the module is tested the voltage and the internal resistance, and now is ready for packing. If you need the lithium battery for 4 Series 1 Power, please contact us. Really. Thank you.